Isuzu's big-hearted D-Max pickup is available as a no-nonsense working tool, or with all the bells and whistles. The choice is yours. That is one reason why it has lifted the Vans A to Z's Pickup of the Year award once again. Buyers can opt for either a 4x2 or a 4x4 and select from a 4-door double cab, a 2-door single cab or a stretch single cab with rear opening side access half doors. Open the bonnet and you'll find a very torquey and responsive 163 horsepower 2.5 litre diesel married to either a 6-speed manual or a 5-speed auto gearbox. Gross payload is in excess of 1 tonne, and the 4x4s are available with a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tonnes. 4 different specification levels are marketed, with even entry-level models delivered with air conditioning as standard. As if to hammer home D-Max's workhorse credentials, Isuzu have been highlighting its ability to act as a platform for a variety of special conversions. They include the Brigade Response Vehicle, a compact firefighting appliance. In the UK, D-Max comes with a 5-year, 125,000 mile warranty, which says it all about the dependability and durability. To make the point, Isuzu entered a Dewson-sponsored D-Max in the production class of the 2014 British Cross Country Championship. With Jason Sharp behind the wheel, it won the class outright. When Isuzu replaced the Rodeo with D-Max, it resisted the temptation to pump it up in size. This makes it nimble and easy to manoeuvre, while at the same time being able to handle just about anything thrown at it. A real winner on many levels.